Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a very specific but essential accessory for anyone using DJI Hex chargers for their camera drones. This is a replacement part designed to step in when the original component on your charger gets damaged. It's presented as an original and brand new accessory, which is always a good sign when dealing with sensitive equipment like drone charging gear. The manufacturer, FEARZIE, has produced this part with a focus on quality and ease of use. One of the key selling points mentioned is its easy installation. For drone pilots and enthusiasts, minimizing downtime is crucial, so a part that can be quickly and easily swapped out is a major plus. The description also highlights fine craftsmanship, suggesting attention to detail in its manufacturing. This isn't just a generic piece. It's crafted specifically for its purpose within the DJI Hex charger system. Furthermore, the product is described as high quality and suitable for professional use. This implies it meets certain standards required for reliable operation, which is vital when charging expensive drone batteries. Reliability and safety are paramount, and a high-quality replacement part contributes significantly to maintaining the integrity of the charging process. Durability is another important aspect mentioned. The part is described as wear-resistant and having a long lifetime. This means it's built to last, providing a reliable fix that won't need frequent replacement. Given the potential stress or wear parts of a charger might undergo, having a durable component ensures the charger remains functional over time. Weighing in at just 50 grams, this accessory is lightweight, which isn't surprising for a small replacement part, but it reinforces that it's designed to fit seamlessly without adding unnecessary bulk or weight to the charger unit itself. It comes in one color, suggesting a standard finish that likely matches the original equipment. Overall, this FEARZIE replacement part for the DJI Hex charger appears to be a well-made, durable, and easy-to-install solution for a common problem: a damaged original part. Its focus on high quality and professional use suggests it's a reliable choice for keeping your DJI Hex charger operational and your drones ready to fly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.